Hey, wait, what are you going to do with that spoon?
I'm going to spoon feed the lawn some Milorganite. Let's talk about the 2018 fertilizer and soil regimen that I'm going to use on my lawn. This year I'm going to be going with Milorganite and N-ext products. For my Milorganite schedule, I am going to be running at a ½ pound of nitrogen per application. That means that I'm going to be putting down 10 pounds of product, Milorganite, per 1,000 square feet. I've already applied 0.75 pounds, so 3/4 of a pound this year. And I will be having a fertilizer schedule for my Milorganite on April 28th, June 2nd, July 7th, August 11th, September 15th, and October 20th. I wanted to spoon feed my lawn this year. By spoon feeding, what I mean is feeding smaller amounts of nitrogen through Milorganite at a steady rate throughout the year to keep a constant supply of nitrogen to the grass blades through Milorganite. So I'm going to be putting it down 7 times. The first one coming out of winter, I applied a little bit heavier than I'm going to on the other ones. So with the next products, I'm going with the Air8, RGS, Micro Green, and Humic 12. Air8, I've already applied on April 13th, and I applied it at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet, times by my 8,000 square feet that I had. So I've applied 48 ounces of product. With my Air8, I'm going to do that 2 times this year. So obviously spring, and then I'm going to be doing a fall application on September 8th. I'm going to be applying 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet, which will be times 8 because I have 8,000 square feet. So I'll be applying 72 ounces of product in the fall of the Air8 to open up the lawn, lets it breathe, drives those roots down deep. That's what the Air8 does for us. For the product RGS, so the application rate for RGS will be 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I will be using 24 ounces of product on each application. I'm going to be applying that on April 28th, June 2nd, July 7th, August 11th, and September 15th. If you look at that, it's the exact same schedule as my Milorganite schedule. I'm going to be applying that at the exact same time. Looking at Micro Green. Micro Green is what is going to give us those added little nutrients that just isn't covered by synthetic products. It's going to be applied at the exact same time with the Milorganite and the RGS. The application of Micro Green will be 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So on my 8,000 square foot lawn, I will be using 24 ounces per application. Humic 12 is going to go every 2 weeks after that. So I'm going to be alternating between the RGS, Micro Green, and Milorganite And then every 2 weeks I'm going to be putting down the humic 12. On the humic 12, the schedule will be May 12th, June 20th, July 25th, August 29th, and September 26th. So I'll be having that humate going down at a regular schedule. My application rate for humic 12 will be 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So that means for my 8,000 square foot lawn, I'll be using 24 ounces per application. It's supposed to help unlock the nutrients that are held within the soil. It helps make our biodiversity that's inside of that soil thrive. And that's what I'm after. I'm after more of a living soil versus just feeding the grass. I appreciate you guys staying tuned for this today, and I look forward to seeing what we can do with my lawn on this product and on this regimen for the 2018 season. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Make her green.
Now, do you smell my feet more?
He probably does, because he licks his butt. So he's probably in your feet. You got the stinky foot? Girl, you need to get your foot loose. That means that I'm going to be putting down 10,000. That means that I'm going to be putting down 10 pound for my Milorganite schedule.